Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. Wanted to show you another bathroom remodel and kind of walk you through at least one version of a bathroom. What is turning out to be more and more popular is putting in different flavors of cultured marble. And when I talk about cultured marble, it's not your grandmother's old orange swirls. Stuff today comes in a multitude of finishes. This happens to be a granite type of motif. And the beauty of it is, and why people are selecting it is, it's 10 times easier to keep clean and sanitary compared to tile. Tile is gorgeous, we agreed, we all know that, but you know, money is not the issue. Plenty of people putting in the cultured granite, cultured marble, and you know, related variants of it. So let's take a look at what you get in this surround for the tub. You get full 3 sides, solid, and the only place there's a seam, and you can barely see it, is in the back corners. And you can see what we do on the window. We actually have the material up there to waterproof it, the sides all underneath, so it's all beautifully detailed. And in probably most of the bathroom jobs we do, we recommend bringing the whole solid surface up to the ceiling line, and for 2 reasons. One, it makes the bathroom feel a lot bigger as opposed to stopping it right at the shower head. And then you have kind of a paint line that you have to deal with, which frequently gets moldy, dirty, and all that kind of stuff, and you eliminate that whole problem. So this is a typical finished bathroom in here. And by the way, the facilities that can be put in are built-in soap niches. This is a taller one. There's a regular one for a soap bar. You can see typical, you know, shower heads. We put in sliding wands and things like that. This is a popular style toilet. It's an elongated toilet, and it's also just a few inches taller than a typical toilet. It's called a chair height. It's about 16 inches from the floor to the top of the finished surface. So it's a nice height, and it's comfortable without getting into an oversized one. So you can see this. This is a porcelain tile finish. And what we did is on the kind of splash, the return, the baseboard, we used the same tile. We used what we call our Schluter edging. We have matching wall hardware that ties in with the finish of the shower fixtures, the faucet fixtures. These happen to be white shaker cabinets. You can see the handles we use. And I want to show you something here on the vanity top. And look, everybody's got their own taste and their pros and cons, but I'll give you the pros for looking at a cultured granite countertop. This is all one piece. It's all molded, so there's no seam here. So if you look at a typical granite countertop, you either have a top mounted or an under mount sink, which is nice, but over time, go to somebody's house and look at the dirt, crud, mold, and dirt that's all along the ring. It's horrible after a couple of years. You won't have that with a setup like this because it's all one clean integrated piece. It's got a nice rounded lip on it here, and you can see what we've done here in the corners. It's just it's a nice clean finish, right? So it depends on the look that you want. This material comes in literally 100 different colors, so there's pretty much every flavor that you want in getting it. And in this case, we kept with the motif. We have the vanity countertop the same as the surround in the shower. So if you look carefully, what we've done is we've stuck with white, 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 white trim, and we picked up on the grays. It's a nice clean look, bright, cheery. We've got not an off-white, this is San Francisco fog on the paint. And in the bathroom, by the way, and every bathroom's a little bit different, we actually have more lighting circuits than you realize here. Let's see if I can find them. We've got one for the fan. We've got one for the vanity light. We have one light over the tub shower, and we've got the general kind of walkway light that's in there. So, and all these things are typically on dimmers, which makes it very, very nice. So that's kind of a quick tour of a bathroom, one of, you know, hundreds of variants, but this is a fairly typical bathroom, and being able to finish it, get a nice clean bathroom using the cultured granite materials. Okay, thanks. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another beautiful bathroom job.